Alright, good luck to you. I said Carolina on the shack. Hardy is for the Falcons. And the other ones were pretty obvious. Alright, now let's top show us how not to do it. We'll random open all these together so we can get disappointed faster. Getting a big hit from this is like finding gold in your backyard. It's just not going to happen. There's some color in there. Oh shit, some bedazzle in there. Got us auto though. Yeah, because you sure in hell ain't getting a big name. The medium name you to death though. Hell, I'll take a mini. Alright. Well, I'm not reading all these. You know who they are. I'll read the number stuff. The mini is Andreas Pete. Trey Mason die cut. Not numbered. And Demaryius Thomas fancy card. Uh-oh, they're yelling. Rookie. More rookies. Jalen Strong, mini. And a Carlos Hyde die cut, not numbered. And a Roddy White shiny card. Oh, no. I don't know. Give me a minute. I'm trying to watch this fight on TV. All rookies. More rookies. Jeremy Langford. And a bedazzle of Ty Montgomery. Not numbered. And a Cordell Patterson. I feel like I pulled this last time. For the Vikings. Not numbered. Don't get your hopes up, Mike. And a Peyton Manning shiny thingy. Sean Mannion is the rookie. TJ Yeldon is the mini. Sean Mannion, not numbered. Autograph. Bedazzle of Andre Johnson, numbered 47 out of 50. More rookies. Sean Mannion. And for the Colts, Josh Robin. The mini is Denzel Perryman. For the Colts, Josh Robinson, rookie autograph. Who is Sean Mannion? More rookies. Uh-oh. Oh, no. The mini is Devontae Davis and a Paul Dawson gold-looking card. Those are numbered 64 out of 99. And a blue Brandon Bridge, 276 out of 499. Yeah, who was that? Who does he play for? The die cut of Big Ben? Oh, shit. That's a nice one. Nice. There we go. Numbered. Come on. Come on. It's Eric Kendricks for one. Numbered 7 out of 10. Wow. All right. That's a nice one there. That's a nice one. You're not getting that card, buddy. Tommy doesn't drink that much. Cody Fajaro. Tommy Golf, but he's not giving it up, I'm sure. Oh, Mannion is the Rams. Did Maury ask that? Answer that. The mini is Trey McBride. Oh, there you go. Best we can do, bud. Sorry. Number 234 out of 399. Sammy Coates, numbered 136 out of 399. And a Drew Brees. Bedazzle. Oh, I see the next hit. There goes another one. We got a lot of famous Jameis coming. And a mini of Landon Collins for the Giants. Number 22 out of 499, Jeff ACL. Poor kid tore his damn ACL already. Philip Dorsett, 190 out of 299 for the Colts. And a shiny card of Brandon Marshall. Rookie. The mini looks like Sammy Coates, and it is. And the auto is Clyde Wolford for the Oakland Raiders. Not numbered. Oh, landslide. And a Sammy Watkins Bedazzler. And that is it for this box. Roll return.